how to make math fun again and actually enjoy it. All right, confession time. How many of you, when you hear the word math, immediately picture a dusty old textbook, a stern teacher, and a battlefield of numbers where you're constantly losing? If you're raising your hand, don't worry, you're in good company. But what if I told you math doesn't have to be a villain? What if it could be, dare I say it, fun? Yes, fun. Today on Studying Machine, we're flipping the script and learning how to make math your new favorite brain-bending adventure. Let's dive into some super simple, game-changing strategies. Step 1. Your mindset. Math is a puzzle, not a punishment. Stop seeing math problems as roadblocks. Instead, imagine each one is a mini mystery novel and you're the super sleuth trying to uncover the answer. Think Sherlock Holmes, but with more X's and I's. The thrill isn't just in getting the right answer, it's in the process of discovery. Seriously, try it. Approaching a quadratic equation with the same excitement you'd have for the latest Netflix true crime documentary changes everything. Step 2. Gamify everything. Who says learning can't be a game? Set small challenges for yourself. Can I solve 10 multiplication problems in under a minute today? Or, can I figure out the tip on this restaurant bill faster than my friend can with their phone? Friendly competition encouraged, of course. You can even use apps that turn math into actual games. Suddenly, algebra becomes less like homework and more like leveling up in your favorite RPG. Step 3. Make math tangible and creative. Math isn't just abstract numbers, it's everywhere. Baking, math, building Legos, math. Planning a road trip, definitely math. Grab some colorful blocks, draw diagrams, even act out problems. If you're struggling with fractions, imagine slicing up a pizza, a delicious, cheesy mathematical pizza. The more you connect math to the real world and engage your creative side, the less intimidating it becomes. Step 4. Find your mathmates. Study buddies for the win. Everything's more fun with friends, right? Find a study buddy or a small group. You can explain concepts to each other, which is a fantastic way to solidify your own understanding. Tackle tricky problems together and celebrate those eureka moments. Plus, a little shared misery or triumph makes the journey so much better. Think of yourselves as an elite squad ready to conquer any numerical challenge. So there you have it. Math doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fascinating puzzle, a thrilling game, a creative outlet, and a shared adventure. Shift your perspective, get a little playful, and watch as those numbers start to sing a different tune. You've got this. All right, Math Warriors. If you love these tips and are ready to make learning genuinely exciting, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Studying Machine family for more fun learning hacks. Until next time, keep those brains buzzing.